Multiple meaning words. Select the definition that best fits the use of the bold word in each sentence. Abby plays the tuba in the woodwind section of the orchestra. Noun, division, area. Noun, piece, segment. Noun, part of a book. Noun, cutting by a surgeon. Right now, only 2 apartments are occupied, but we are hoping for more tenants soon. Adjective, taken over. Adjective, lived in. Adjective, held a position. Adjective, busy. Analogies. Select the definition that best fits the use of the word in each sentence. Grieving is to sorrow as humiliating is to joy, anger, confidence, shame. Lot is to vacant as room is to empty, crowded, occupied, shabby. Deposition is to affidavit as patronage is to protection, blockage, opposition, legal. Intimidate is to encourage as abuse is to harm, terrify, bully, preserve. Context clues. Read the passage, then answer the questions that follow. The gang had come to hold and blank the whole block where we lived. They liked to bully and blank anyone that came in their path. Evict, abuse, occupy, intimidate, abuse, humiliate, intimidate, humiliate.